good look at this because this is the last time it's gonna look like this. Hopefully, I mean, yeah, probably, most likely.
Pretty sure he has all the sockets, but just in case you just bring the magnetic one.
Yeah. Because I only had the.
I'm gonna say this right now. This is arguably the best tool,
I started taking stuff out.
right? It's the best tool.
Yeah.
Oh, you start. Fuck. Wait, hello.
Over here.
Big shout out to Brandon, aka Akira Garage, on Instagram for doing this amazing. Let's see if they're, yeah, check that out. Yeah, it came out super nice. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. So all we're doing now is we're just removing parts. Took off the bumper, took off the air intake, taking out the sound tube. Yeah, so today we're just doing removals. But like every video, it's fucking dark already. But we got the fan off, we got the top part off, a bunch of those stuff off. It's not that hard so far. It's like just removing bolts and stuff.
Are we gonna get the bottom one?
I think the main complication is gonna come when we actually start putting things in. But
we have to
as
take
of
this
right
out?
now, what is that? Probably. Huh? So it's probably take this one off next. Alright, so we got the crash bar off. We're trying to take off the headers. Michael's taking off the O2 sensor if he can get it off. He got it off?
Yes, sir.
O2 sensor's off. I think all we're gonna do today is take off the rest of the exhaust, drain the oil. What's up, my friends? How you guys doing?
I don't know.
Thank you for the Ziploc bag. So
We have this.
Night vision or something? Yeah.
a trick that we learned is like, so we're trying to label all the bolts, but I didn't have bags, so I started wrapping it in the paper, the brown cover and stuff. I didn't have plastic bags, so that's what we're doing. We got the HKS oil cap. That's the first mod that's going on this car
Check this out, bro.
for this build.
Check this out.
So that's how you take it off. Watch this.
Boom.
Bangle.
I'm amazed. I want one.
Yo, $80.
Frick that.
You say that now and be like, babe, guess what I got? Remember the thing John had on his...
Okay. So this is how far we got so far. I think we're basically almost done with the removal, right? What else?
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, don't we gotta take this off
Do we?
for your AOS?
No one else got keys to
Oh yeah, we might have to take that for AOS. Are you hanging mines?
There we go.
Is that what this for?
I use it for that.
That's dope. By the way, that's just admire. But that's the fan. That's how you guys. That was all full frontal facial. But this is all Micah setup right here.
I don't know, cause wouldn't dirt get into it?
Jack's already eating pizza. So I went to Cars and Coffee this morning. Now with Micah and Bryson. Micah and I. Oh, mostly Micah. I tried to help. Stop recording. So mostly Micah got the fuel pump. I was just trying to help as much as I could. We got it in, but now we just gotta cut this one piece right here. Where'd it go? So I have the Dashworks fuel pump. We're just gonna cut this piece. I do apologize. I'm not vlogging that part. My phone was charging. Bryson's trying to figure out the quick disconnect tool for the fuel lines to get the injectors in later on. So I don't know. I just plier cut the other clips so Bryson has more room to cut with his Dremel. Because we just need that retention clip on the bottom. You know, like glasses,
No.
Sorry.
My bad. I don't have two. I get one.
Sorry, I get contacts these days. I don't wear glasses no more. I don't even have shades in the car. Fuck, I should get shades.
So you don't get ruined.
Wait, it's coming off already.
I thought...
Oh, hey, pretty good. We cut out the front part, so the back part, I guess. Depends which way you're looking at it. So I'm doing that right now. Just cut up the other side. Doing this side next. So, Micah's doing the studs for the exhaust manifold. He did so far.
So far, put these studs in. And put this insulator thing. Pretty neat.
So we got the studs in for the exhaust manifold and the insulator, the heat insulator or something. So what we did so far, we got the oil return line and the oil line that goes to the turbo. So we got those ends. This is actually kind of weird. So you see how this goes in here, this goes in here. Yeah, this is interesting. And we actually had to tilt this away first, then put it back so we could get this clip back in there and then tighten it all over again. Yeah, so this is how it looks so far. Yeah, it's gonna be it's pretty crazy, actually. Oh god, update, Michael. What did we do so far?
Okay, the turbo's in. Manifold is in. This beautiful downpipe is there.
The oil return is in. Down there, that was fun. This was fun getting in. Now we're just doing the coolant lines for the turbo.
Mm-hmm.
It's coming there. It's getting along. It's getting along.
Get in there.
We're in the cooling. We should have done that in the beginning, but whatever. We're lazy like that.
Yeah.
We pulled this motherfucker too from underneath the block. Now we're gonna cut this. There's a lot of cutting. So it's gonna go from the block to the turbo. Oh, not from the exhaust manifold, right? Or the block.
Throttle body.
Throttle body to the turbo. So yeah, coolant line. By his, fuck up.
Selling his crash bar.
Yeah, he's selling his OEM crash bar.
You guys ready?
Who's gonna buy it?
So we measured ish. We measured.
Ready?
Fuck, you ready?
Are you ready?
Oh, fuck yeah, going.
Supposed to do that? Supposed to do that?
I've never cut anything in my life, bro. I don't know, man.
Did I buy the right one?
How much was it? Oh, in a cooler. Watch your hands, yeah. I never. This one's not smooth everywhere, yeah. Okay, let's move this one. Should I have this one side? Down there. I'm gonna lay it down. Okay. Just so it doesn't fall.
You ready?
I just paranoid. Oh, sorry.
You good? You good?
My knees gave out.
So remember it has that that lip, yeah.
What? What lip? What? Was it not here when we put this up?
See that this thing right here?
Oh yeah.
There you go. And that goes the light.
Like test fit it real quick.
I'm gonna put
One.
one on each side.
You putting on? Where are you putting on?
Corner, top corner.
Okay. Thank you. Sorry. I was going the wrong way this whole time. Oh my god. Okay. What size is that? 12, yeah?
So you want to do one side at a time, or?
Yes.
I'm gonna go put mine up.
Yeah. I think they wrapped that too.
No, yours is already wrapped. From the last time.
Oh no, this one. On the hot side. This one? You have to wrap this, you think?
Oh, you could.
What is this? Alright, Micah. Day 3.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you, bro. What did we? So today we just bolted all the turbo and intercooler. We have the oil cooler mocked up, but it's not like bolted down. This is just to see if the bumper is just on, just to see if it clears. We're just trying to figure out all the piping. Really, we ran into some issues along the way today. Like we just really took our time today.
Since we don't know.
Yeah, I have no clue what I'm doing, bro. So we really just took our time, as you should, honestly, with something like this. Taking time, like, oh yeah, I gotta go home and grab my stock
That
one.
looks good.
I think so. We got the art parts done. Now we just gotta. I think what's left is, well, bolt down the oil cooler, and like mock it up and drill some holes into the crash beam so we can put it in, right? Yeah. Lube this, put the oil cooler together, get this settled. That's it. Yeah. Ask Bryson if he can help me put my coilovers back on because I don't like being this right height. So yeah, we'll see.